the whistle go.
Alright, you guys have been probably wondering that what's in those Christmas gifts in Madden Mobile 16? Well, you can find out. In auctions, you want to type in and player name players. Just player, I mean, my bad. And you want to go to search. And you will see placeholder. But click on it. And then click here. And it will say, look. He's from San Francisco 49ers. Frozen Gift Edition number 4. You can find out what player you're probably going to get. Now if you go here, Frozen Gift Edition 6, but I haven't seen the 6 yet. Frozen Gift Edition 6. Frozen Edition 5. That's how you find out what are in these Frozen gifts. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.